Hello, everyone. All the tips I'm about to give you come straight from mechanics who work here in the shop, so don't worry, there's a solution for this. When the message appears, change engine oil soon, it's basically giving you a friendly reminder saying, hey, my oil is reaching the end of its useful life. You'd better change it before a problem comes up. That doesn't mean the engine is suddenly going to fail, but it does indicate that the oil monitoring system has detected that the engine's protection is decreasing. Interestingly, a lot of mechanics here at the shop tell me that this warning can show up even earlier than expected, especially if you drive aggressively, do a lot of stop and go driving, spend a lot of time in traffic, or frequently take short trips. The system, called the Intelligent Oil Life Monitoring System, doesn't just count the miles driven. It also analyzes how you use the engine and how the oil degrades based on your driving style. That's why sometimes it seems like the warning came on too soon, but in reality, the system's doing its job correctly. One of the simplest solutions, and the one most often mentioned by the shop technicians, is to change the oil and filter according to Ford's recommendations. After doing this, it's necessary to reset the message. If you don't, the warning may keep appearing even with new oil. Many mechanics point out to me that this step is often forgotten, which causes confusion because the owners of these vehicles think there's still a problem, when in reality, all that's needed is to reset the system. In some cases, the message keeps appearing even after the oil change. Generally, this happens because oil that doesn't meet the manufacturer's specifications was used, or because the shop didn't properly reset the system. Checking or cleaning the engine sensor connections has also helped some people, since the system relies on accurate signals to correctly calculate the oil's lifespan. So I invite you to watch this video that's on your screen so you can avoid these kinds of problems with your car.